Good day everyone, I'm Gene and I'm an account executive here at JIMAC Incorporated. I will be demonstrating our Bacchus system. So this is our Bacchus interface for fine dining restaurants or with table management setting na restaurant or food chain. So before we proceed with the table management setup, let me just show you the login interface. So log out muna tayo dito. So this is our login interface for our Bacchus system. So as you can see, there's a user code and password required or fields, no? So we will be inputting a user code and password. So we will be creating user code and password for each employees or cashier that we will be having in our store. Like for example, tatlo, so they have 3 unique user codes with different access rights. So for example, isa sa kanila is manager. So si manager have the full functionality of the POS and si cashier have the functionalities or have the access for the functionalities like the POS cashiering and the blind declaration feature. So may mga limitations. Yun yung purpose ng ating access rights and our user codes. So type in lang natin yung ating user code and password. So at this point, 00 and 1, 2, 3. Check. And just click the pause button. And once logged in, ito yung interface natin for our table management setup. So as you can see, our table management is color-coded. So it's very simple. Green for available, red for occupied, and yellow for print bill, and purple for bill out. So we can be able to identify what tables are available in just one glance because it's color-coded. So user-friendly din yung system natin so anyone can access or can navigate our system. So this is how you are going to navigate our table management. So just click the table number, click order, select the number of packs, let's say 5, update. And now you can see our table turns red. That means it's occupied. So now let's take orders. So same interface lang din tayo doon sa ating quick service function, dun sa blue cart natin. So pareho lang din yung mga interface natin for our blue button and for our menu items or menu departments and menu items sa ilalim. So now let's transact without the discount first. So once we click the hold order, that is the trigger when our kitchen printer will be printing the order slip. So once napindot natin yun, mapaprint na yung order slip sa kitchen printer. So now, if our customer is ready for payment, let's now click ulit yung ating table number and click print bill. Once done, our bill will be dispensed in our cashiering printer. So I will be flashing our order slip in or our bill in the So now, if ready na si customer na bayaran or isettle yung kanyang bill, let's now click the yellow icon or yellow table. And for payment naman tayo. Now, same lang din naman yung interface natin for our quick service function and our table function. That's why same lang din yung interface natin for our payment lookout. So, click the amount. 20 for settlement. And once approved or once done, our sales invoice will be dispensed in our cashiering printer. So, ito yung sales invoice natin. So, same din naman doon sa function natin for quick service setup. Now, let's try to transact with the discounts. So, click lang ulit natin yung table na yun. Click order, select number of packs, update. Re-click the table for ordering. So, yung purpose ng function na yun when we are entering the number of packs is for reservation, no? Like for example, may mga customers pa hindi pa ready for their orders. So, kaya hindi pa direct yung function natin or direct yung punta natin doon sa cashiering interface. But now, here is the cashiering interface. So, let's proceed with the order taking and let's try to apply senior citizen discount. Senior citizen discount. Just type in the credentials of our senior citizen, like for example, Gene, and the senior citizen ID. So, as I've said earlier, the TIN ID and the business style is not needed. Hindi naman siya required sa system, so we can proceed without it. So, this is our computation for our discount. So, let's hold order. Click ulit for the bill settlement. So, print bill muna natin before tayo mag-settle. And our bill will be dispensed on the cashiering printer. Now, let's proceed with the payment. So, click na natin yung amount. And then, for settlement na tayo. And our cashiering printer will be dispensing 2 sales invoice since we have applied senior citizen discount. So, I will flash our sales invoice in the screen for you to have a reference. And that's it. That's how we are going to transact with our Bacchus system.